Cassie Claus, look at this gorgeous set. I am in love with this copper penny. This is copper penny CJP, and also birthday suit and copper penny glitters from Sonia Williams. I nearly forgot them, and it's my absolute favourite. This little finger, I'm coming in with some crystal glass. Obviously I've done all my prep like I always do, and I put my tips on, and then I put my dehydrator on and my primer. Then I've put a thin layer of crystal glass down, and then I go straight in with this beautiful copper leaf, and I do a full finger in this on both hands, and a half finger as well. Once I've put it on, I cap in crystal glass, and then I'm going to do a one finger in copper penny and one finger in birthday suit. A little bit similar to what I did for my daughter the other day, and this is her friend Courtney, who's my #1 fan, as you all know. So she kind of had similar. So I don't like to do exactly the same, because I think my nails should be unique and individual, and I don't really like to do the same really, although I nick people's ideas which are the same. Anyway, so we kind of just mixed it up a little bit and used the copper penny as a full colour nail. So you'll see in a minute. Absolutely stunning, beautiful. I'm also using my big boy brush, and Courtney had asked how did I find it. I don't know actually. I think I need to use it a few more times just to kind of get the hang of it. It is big, and it will take me a while. I think I struggled a little bit around the cuticle area, but just because the brush is so long, look at the length of it. I think it'll take me a while just to get used to it really, but yeah, they went on okay. It wasn't very quick. It still took me over 2 hours, but I thought they looked absolutely stunning in the end. I was made up with them. I love the shape. The shape was beautiful. Lots of the filing was kind of minimal because the application is getting so much better, so there's a lot less filing to do, which is brilliant. I didn't film any filing just because it's boring, but I kind of did it mainly by hand, and then just use the e-file just to kind of smooth over the top and take off any bulk, but I usually just use my hand file. So this is me putting crystal glass. I don't normally do this, and I don't know why I did it. I think because I'd seen someone else do it. They'd put the leaf on, and then they put they capped it straight away. I think Charlotte had done it, but anyway, I just thought, oh well, I'll do. And then my plan was to do each nail like that, but I didn't. I just put the design down on the rest, and then went back and capped them all. So I don't know why I did that little one first. It was a bit bizarre, but this is Perfect Peach, and this is a beautiful nude, and just goes beautiful with this copper. It's got the nice warm pinky tones, and they just complement each other beautifully. So this was just a plain nail of this colour. This set is so simple but so stunning, very plain, very elegant, absolutely beautiful. I suppose you could add some gems if you wanted to onto this nail, but we just kept it plain, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I was very pleased with this set. I cap this, even though this is a strength powder and not a design powder. I always cap all my colours anyway. It's kind of something that I've learnt to do from the very beginning, and I've always stuck to it. I think I'm just fearful of the colour coming off when I file it. I know it won't because it's a strength powder, but it's just something that I've always done. I think it finishes off the nails nicer if you cap them all. That's just me. So that's that. Then this is the new copper penny. Oh my god, look at this. How beautiful is that colour? Oh, sorry, it went a little bit out of shot then. It's like a toffee. Oh, it's just gorgeous. And it's a live one as well. One of those live powders. So as it's settling, it's all moving around and shimmering, and oh, it's just, you could eat it. It's like a toffee colour. It's gorgeous. So I try not to put it on too thick because obviously I'm going to cap it, but equally you want it opaque. You don't want to have any see-through bits, as I call it. So I'm just putting some more on the tip here just to give it a bit more. Some colours are really pigmented, like the blacks or opium noir or the navies, or some of the dark ones are really pigmented, but this one just needed a little bit of a 2 coats really. thin coats, I would say. Look how beautiful that is. This one we did a half leaf, half birthday suit, which looked lovely. And then the thumb, I did a whole nail of copper penny glitter, fine glitter and chunky glitter, and then just capped a lot. I did the top coat, filmed that today, recorded that, and I did both hands, which is the best bit for you to see. And that was it really. Like I say, no filing. If you like this video, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. We're heading towards 400, which is absolutely brilliant. If I can get to 500 by Christmas, I'll be made up. But I need you all to subscribe, so get subscribing, please. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will leave you to watch it now instead of waffling on all the way through it. I'll leave you to watch it, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye, 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 bye. bye.